Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that muting a Telegram group is a simple way to reduce distractions without leaving the conversation. In this video, I'll walk you through how to mute a Telegram group on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. There are many ways to mute a group on Telegram, and these are the easiest ways to do it.
To get started, locate the group you want to mute from your chat list on the left side of Telegram Web. If you have many conversations, you can use the search bar at the top of the chat list to quickly find the group by typing its name. Once you've found the group, right-click on it and select Mute from the options. Your selected group will now mute it. Another way is to click on it to open the conversation.
Next, click the group name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's information panel, where you can view details about the group and access additional settings. In the group information panel, look for the notifications option. Once you click the toggle button, it will instantly mute the group you selected.
Another way is to look at the group name at the top of the chat window. Click the icon menu to open the options, and from the options, select Mute. This will also mute the group you selected. Every time you select the mute option, Telegram will display several mute duration choices. Depending on what's available, you may be able to mute the group for a specific period, such as 1 hour, several hours, a few days, or indefinitely.
Choose the duration that best fits your preference. If you only need a short break from notifications, select one of the temporary options. If you don't want to receive notifications until you decide otherwise, choose the option to mute the group indefinitely. After making your selection, Telegram will immediately apply the new notification setting. You won't receive notification alerts from that group during the selected mute period, but the group will remain in your chat list, and you'll still receive all messages. If new messages are posted while the group is muted, you can still open the conversation at any time to read them. Muting only turns off notifications. It doesn't affect your membership in the group or prevent you from sending and receiving messages. If you ever decide you'd like to receive notifications again, simply open the same group information panel, return to the notification setting, and choose to unmute the group. Your notifications will then resume as normal. Muting groups can be especially helpful for active communities or busy work chats where messages arrive frequently throughout the day. It allows you to stay in the group without constant notification interruptions while still keeping the conversation available whenever you want to check in. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to mute a Telegram group on Telegram Web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.